Hello and welcome to my review on IQ Option. You can see I'm at the front page here. This is a brokerage firm that got its start with the binary options market, but has moved into CFDs and Forex. It is regulated by CySEC in Cyprus, so many of you will be familiar with that. It offers 186 stocks. For example, 14 options, currency options, and the like. Forex, 75 pairs. Crypto, they've got 12 different cryptocurrencies. Indices, they got 10. So, for example, the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. Commodities, you can trade 6 different commodities. And then ETFs, there's all kinds of ETFs. There's a cannabis, there's a SPYs, basically, etc. You can see leverage is 5, 20 on crypto, 5 on the ETFs. Indices are 20. Crypto is twice leverage. Forex is 30. And of course, stocks are 5. There are some tools for traders. To be honest with you, though, you're not going to be looking at this brokerage firm for education. You will need to basically know what you're doing to get involved. Pretty straightforward, though. You can see there's a basic chart. You can buy and sell. You can take a look at the analysis. It'll tell you like earnings, and then the profile. It'll tell you a little bit, give you the home page, that type of thing. They do have video tutorials about using the platform, how to go about it. The platform is available on web, iOS, and Android. They facilitate an astronomical amount of trades. 25.5 million users are registered as of 2017, and as of 2017 they were doing 1.8 million trades each day and $380 million worth of trades per month. They do have the availability to deposit and withdraw in most of the larger ways to trade, so you should be comfortable with all of that. You can see it's straightforward how you can do bank transfers and all of the usuals. And you know, when you go to trade, say you want to trade Forex, go to dollar yen, and it'll give you a little bit of interesting news there, give you an idea as to what you can do. Here is a screenshot of the platform for options, and it's pretty straightforward. You got binary, digital options, and so forth. IQ Options been around forever, since 2007, so they've been around quite some time. Facilitate a massive amount of trades. Certainly a brokerage firm worth looking for and looking to. The one downside for some of you would be that they do not use MetaTrader 4. They use their own proprietary platform, but it is a strong platform.